Yeah. Mozart was crazy. Flat fucking crazy. That shit I hear. But his music's not crazy. It's balanced, it's nimble, it's crystalline clear. There's harmony and logic. You listen to these. You don't hear his doubts or his debts or disease. You scan through the score and put fingers on keys and you play. And everything else goes away. Everything else goes away. And you play till it's perfect. Play till you ache. Play till the strings or your fingernails break. So you'll rock that recital and get into the nail. So you won't feel so sick and you won't look so pale. Cause you got your full ride and you're early at mid. So you're done with this school and all of this shit. And you graduate early, you're gone as of May. And there's nothing your paranoid parents can say. And you know that it's just a sonata away. And you play. And you play. And everything else goes away. Everything else goes away. Everything else goes away.
Yeah.